Meet DXR Harmony, an AI-powered patient interview simulator built to transform how students train for real-world clinical encounters. With Harmony, learners step into the role of the healthcare provider and interact with AI patients in a safe, guided environment. It's hands-on clinical reasoning practice, anytime, anywhere. When you arrive at the Harmony landing page, you'll have the option to sign in if you already have an account. New users can click Create an Account to get started. Before continuing, you'll be asked to agree to our terms and conditions. Please review them carefully and click Agree to proceed. To create an account, enter your email, choose a secure password, and re-enter it to confirm. Then fill in your basic contact information like name, organization, and address. Next, choose your account type. The default option is Student. Faculty and administrator accounts require approval. If you choose one of those, your request will be reviewed by an administrator, and you'll be notified by email once it's approved. After filling out all the required information, click Create Account. Student accounts will proceed directly to the dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Assignments page. Here, you'll see your active and past patient cases. For this demo, we'll select Cohort 1, Chest Pain, to walk through a sample case. After clicking on the assignment, you'll see a list of virtual patients along with their chief complaints. For this demo, we'll go ahead and select Jack Donner. Then click Start to begin the AI patient interview. Now that we've entered the patient case, let's take a quick look at the interface. At the top right, you'll see 3 key buttons. Exit lets you leave the case at any time. Consult brings up an AI mentor, which can guide students by offering suggestions and clinical insight. And Diagnose allows you to finalize the case when you're ready to submit your answers. In the center, you'll interact with the AI patient using the message box below. On the right, you'll build and manage your list of differential diagnoses. To begin the interview, simply type your first question into the message box. In this demo, we'll start by asking, what brings you in today? The AI patient responds, I have tightness in my chest. It hurts when I breathe. We follow up with, when did these symptoms start? Jack replies, shortly after lunch today at work. As students ask questions, they begin building a differential diagnosis list. Clicking the Add button brings up a dialog box where they can enter a condition they suspect, then confirm it by clicking Add again. Once added, each differential becomes interactive. Students can select a diagnosis, then click on patient responses to mark them as either supporting signs or countersigns. A running tally appears next to each condition, showing how much evidence supports or goes against it. This feature helps students practice the logic behind clinical decision-making, not just listing possibilities, but linking them to the patient's actual responses. Each differential in the list is interactive. Students can tap on a diagnosis to select it, and then tap on any patient response to tag it as relevant. The first time a response is tapped, it's marked as a sign, and a plus sign appears next to the differential. Tapping the same response again toggles it to a countersign, shown with a red X. Tapping one more time removes the tag, returning it to neutral. The counter next to each diagnosis automatically updates to show how much support or conflict exists, using the format +signs/minus countersigns. Tapping the diagnosis again will deselect it, allowing students to move on or reevaluate another differential. Once the interview is complete and the differential list is finalized, students can click Diagnose to submit their case. Harmony then generates a detailed score report showing how well the student gathered key information, built a differential diagnosis, and selected the correct final diagnosis. The AI also provides personalized feedback and curated links for further study, helping students reflect and improve with each case. DXR Harmony is designed to make clinical reasoning practice more accessible, interactive, and effective, giving students a safe space to sharpen their diagnostic skills with AI-powered patience.